You've just been watching my Hornby M7 trying to get into the station. Why has it not managed to get in there so far? Well, the only thing I can suggest is dirty track. It's quite often the case that you think of dirty track and you immediately run into a panic because you don't know exactly the best way of dealing with it. I've gone and picked myself up a Peco track cleaning rubber, which is an abrasive block, and you just rub it against the rails, and any residue, especially for me, whereas I've been doing ballasting, any residue from PVA glue that gets picked up, and also bits of dust that have been squashed by the wheels and that are coming off of the wheels as well, especially dried bits of oil that from the lubrication of the moving parts of locomotives, they get picked up as well. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Peco track cleaning rubber, which is coded PL-41 or Papa Lima 41 if you're into your phonetics. So let's get on with this video. Right. The block itself, now that it's out, is actually an alright size. Looks as if you can get a fair amount of work out of it. I've already been using it on the relief line because that's where most of the ballasting's been going. So let's get to it. So it's very simple. You just rub it, not too hard, but not too soft as well, and you can probably already see that you're getting that a shine's already appearing because the residue is being removed. So you can see that. So that is pretty much all you have to do. It's recommended to. I would recommend to go over it twice at least, and then once you've done that, get a hoover if you can, because most of the parts that fall off, because if you're rubbing it, because when you're rubbing it, it doesn't just go on the rubber, it also goes on to the track. So you can keep it there if you really want to make it look as if your track's weathering slightly. However, I would advise against that, and just grab a hoover to suck it up, because otherwise, if you've just lubricated your locomotives and lubricant's getting onto the wheels, it can just recirculate, and it makes your track even dirtier. So yeah, you can probably already see the difference. The left rail has not been done, whereas the rail in the centre, or on the right, has been done. That covers it for today at Bearwood West Yard. There are another couple of methods of cleaning your track. The first one is a Dapol track cleaning wagon, of which Richard at New Junction has recently invested in. If you're looking at buying one new, I would say that you look for one that's second hand first, because you can end up paying between £60 and £80 if you end up getting one new, so quite a hefty investment if you're looking at buying one new. It has been said in Richard's latest video, or one of his latest videos, where he did a review of the track cleaning wagon, that it is superior to the track rubber, and I do agree with him. However, on the financial side, the track rubber definitely gets the award, if you can get it at that price, that is. But yeah, anyway, I'll leave you with a short clip of the M7 running through on the up main. So thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.